Hello everyone. Today these two students Nitya and Rutvij are going to narrate a beautiful story. The name of the story is Puss and the Parrot. So are you all ready to listen the story? Ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay? Yes. It is raining. Puss the cat feeling hungry. There is no food. There are no rats. He look here and there. He see a parrot sitting on the tree. He requested the parrot.
Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Yes. La la la. Dum dum dee dum. I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me. No, Mr. Puss. You may eat me. No, my dear. I am an old cat. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you. Then here I come. La la la, dum dee dum, tra la la.
Puss jumps on the parrot and hold him in his paws.
Now I am going to eat you. You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. That is what all good cats do. Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see. I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I go. Bye, Puss.
Bye, Puss. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Give a flying kiss.